The Benalu EasyTop cover sheet system is a clever trucking innovation that perfectly meets today's demand for speed, safety, and efficiency. Designed for modern tipper trailers, this automated side cover system allows drivers to open or close the top quickly from ground level, eliminating the need to climb onto the vehicle. With smooth electric operation, EasyTop secures the load in seconds, helping protect materials from weather, dust, and road debris during transport. Built to integrate seamlessly with Benalu trailers, the system supports faster loading cycles and safer daily operations, especially in demanding environments like construction, agriculture, and bulk transport. The Palfinger HP28 hook loader is a remarkably powerful, high-performance solution designed for 6-ton trucks, confidently handling containers from 9 feet to 19, 7 feet in length, expertly engineered for demanding construction, agriculture, and waste management operations. It delivers strength you can truly rely on. It boasts an impressive lifting capacity of up to 44,100 Pfund, especially when equipped with the advanced SDS 180 valve technology. Its V-Drive cab control system provides operators with an intuitive, fully customizable interface, allowing incredibly precise operation. With smart features such as memory positioning and soft landing for smoother, more controlled handling, cutting-edge tech options elevate its performance even further, including central lubrication, proportional arm control, visual-only alerts, integrated EPO via CAN bus, and 3 external cameras that dramatically enhance visibility and safety. Built as part of Palfinger's famously robust Power Series, the HP28 eliminates linear slide elements, significantly reducing wear and minimizing the need for frequent maintenance. The Miller Century 5230 is a formidable towing and recovery machine engineered to confront the toughest roadside challenges with absolute confidence. Built for demanding heavy-duty operations, this integrated wrecker showcases the raw strength and precision engineering behind modern recovery trucks. Featuring a massive boom, powerful high-capacity winches, and an extended underlift reach, the Century 5230 is purpose-built for lifting, towing, and recovering large vehicles that ordinary wreckers simply cannot handle. Its design emphasizes durability, balance, and precise operator control, allowing recovery crews to perform efficiently even in high-pressure environments. Advanced hydraulic systems, versatile control options, and a rugged modular body clearly demonstrate how recovery technology continues to evolve. Whether responding to highway incidents, commercial breakdowns, or complex accident scenes, the Century 5230 stands as a bold symbol of innovation that helps keep traffic flowing and operations safe. This truck is not only about raw power. It represents intelligent engineering, crafted specifically for real-world recovery work. A self-loading trailer is truly a dream machine for anyone working with heavy cargo. This remarkable system is essentially a semi-trailer capable of lifting and transporting shipping containers completely on its own, eliminating the need to wait for cranes at busy ports or terminals. It features powerful hydraulic lifting units mounted at both ends of the trailer, allowing it to handle standard 20-foot and 40-foot ISO containers with impressive efficiency. The lifting system operates using a dual-circuit double-pump configuration, generating enough power to raise loads between 81,600 and 88,200 pounds, and in certain situations, up to an impressive 99,200 pounds. The crane arms can extend roughly 13 feet outward, while the stabilizers stretch nearly 10 feet to firmly support the trailer during container lifting operations. Latest data reveal that US trucks move an astonishing 1 billion tons of cargo in a single year, averaging nearly 33 million tons every day carried by trucks alone. With such an enormous volume of freight constantly on the move, not every load is routine or simple. Transporting extremely heavy cargo around a busy port is far more complex than simply attaching a standard trailer. That is exactly where the Group Translifter steps in, delivering a powerful and remarkably efficient solution. It is a specialized heavy-load transport trailer designed to work seamlessly with a cassette system, allowing massive cargo to be moved across terminals, steel plants, and concrete factories with impressive efficiency. Depending on the configuration, it can transport loads ranging from about 0 pounds to well over 440 Pfund. In addition, it supports cassettes measuring between 25 feet and 45 feet in length. Instead of relying on a crane, the translifter carefully reverses so its lifting frame slides smoothly beneath a flat platform known as a cassette, which already carries the cargo. Once perfectly aligned, the hydraulic system powerfully lifts the cassette off the ground. From that moment, a terminal tractor tows the translifter and its heavy load to the next destination. Upon arrival, the hydraulics gently lower the cassette back to the ground, and the trailer pulls away with precision. The translifter does not move independently, yet it impressively carries its own hydraulic and steering systems, making the entire operation smooth, controlled, and highly effective. The DAF Digital Vision System is a cutting-edge camera-based mirror replacement developed for the latest generation of DAF trucks, delivering a remarkable upgrade in visibility, safety, and overall driving efficiency. Instead of relying on conventional side mirrors, the system uses high-resolution cameras mounted above the cab doors, transmitting crystal-clear real-time images to two large displays, positioned neatly along the A-pillars. This intelligent setup creates a noticeably wider field of view, dramatically reduces blind spots, and significantly improves the driver's awareness of cyclists, pedestrians, and surrounding traffic. One of its most impressive features is auto-panning. When the truck turns while pulling a trailer, the system automatically follows the trailer's rear movement, ensuring the driver always maintains clear visibility along the entire vehicle side. The cameras are built to withstand harsh weather and include heating elements that prevent fogging or ice buildup, ensuring reliable performance in all conditions. The Krampe Alutop is a clever trailer innovation created to meet modern demands for secure, weather-resistant load coverage in heavy transport, developed by German trailer specialist Krampe. This hydraulically operated aluminum cover system combines quick operation with dependable protection, making it ideal for hauling sensitive or regulated materials. The Alutop opens and closes smoothly using low-maintenance hydraulic cylinders, allowing drivers to cover loads rapidly without complicated mechanisms. Its rigid aluminum structure presses firmly onto the trailer body, helping shield cargo from rain, dust, sunlight, and road debris, while supporting compliance with strict load-securing regulations in many regions. Despite its rugged construction, the lightweight aluminum design keeps additional weight low, preserving valuable payload capacity. When a job requires moving loads weighing 440 Pfund, ordinary equipment simply is not enough. That is exactly where the industrial translifter proves its incredible value. Built specifically for extreme tasks, it is a massive horizontal transport machine used in demanding industrial environments, where enormous loads must be moved safely and precisely from one point to another. The machine typically measures between 25 feet and 45 feet long, built on a powerful frame constructed from heavy steel beams and rugged duty bogies. It uses either a hydraulic or mechanical lifting system to raise a platform known as a cassette slightly off the ground. What truly sets it apart from cranes or forklifts is the unique way it handles cargo. BPW's active reverse control is a breakthrough technology that completely transforms how trailers behave while reversing. Traditionally, self-steering axles greatly improve maneuverability when moving forward, but they typically lock when backing up, making reverse driving awkward, slow, and frustratingly imprecise. ARC eliminates this limitation by actively steering the axle during reverse motion, allowing far smoother, more confident control. Much like guiding a powered vehicle instead of dragging a passive trailer, using advanced electronic signals and precise hydraulic power, the system continuously adjusts wheel angles based on sensor input, including a gyroscope, tachometer, and steering angle detector. It works seamlessly with both air suspension systems and disc or drum brakes, supporting axle loads from 19,842 to 26,455 pounds. Depending on the trailer configuration, the system can control 2 or 4 steerable axles, with steering angles reaching up to 18 degrees, and in some models, an impressive 27 degrees. The Entroop MK1E Master Safe Roll is recognized as the world's first fully electric translifter. Now equipped with Entroop's proprietary safe roll system, carefully engineered for smooth, reliable loading and unloading of cargo. The safe roll feature significantly improves stability and operational safety during demanding port activities, reducing load shifts while greatly boosting operator confidence. Powered entirely by electricity, the MK1E eliminates the need for diesel-driven hydraulics. Its fully self-contained electric hydraulic system allows the unit to operate independently, without relying on tugmaster connections, and it works seamlessly alongside both electric and diesel-powered terminal equipment. The MK1E integrates advanced intelligent software, a dual-pressure hydraulic system with energy recovery, and predictive control technology designed to optimize energy efficiency during every operation. The Gelot roller bed system is a remarkably versatile pneumatic loading solution engineered for efficient and reliable cargo handling in trailers, vans, and warehouses. Using air-powered rollers embedded within durable modular aluminum frames, it enables rapid pallet movement without requiring forklifts to enter the vehicle. Each module supports up to 213 left-pounds per meter, making it ideal for demanding, high-volume logistics operations. The rollers rise to smoothly move cargo and automatically lower through the auto-down function once the vehicle begins moving, ensuring secure and stable transport. Integrated pallet stops keep cargo firmly in place, while optional ramps allow pallets to unload in a smooth, controlled manner. A pressure protection valve carefully maintains vehicle air pressure and prevents system-related faults. The powered roller bed also features motorized rollers, adjustable height, and non-slip surfaces for improved operational safety. Its slimline modular design allows fast installation and effortless transfer across multiple fleets. With reduced labor demands, faster turnaround times, and minimized cargo damage, the Gelot roller bed system delivers a dependable and ergonomic solution for modern freight operations. The Ram half-pipe tipper semi-trailer is a clever bulk transport solution designed for fast, clean, and highly efficient material dumping. Its distinctive curved half-pipe body allows loads such as sand, gravel, soil, and aggregates to flow out smoothly during tipping, reducing leftover residue and dramatically speeding up unloading on busy job sites. Unlike traditional box-shaped tippers, the rounded interior prevents material buildup and helps maintain greater stability while the trailer is lifting. Built for demanding construction and mining environments, this semi-trailer features rugged steel construction and a dependable hydraulic tipping system engineered to handle extremely heavy loads with confidence. The half-pipe design also distributes weight more evenly across the structure, improving stability and supporting safer transport over long distances. The Roll and Go system from Harsh features a durable PVC vinyl tarpaulin that delivers complete shielding against rain, moisture, and intense heat. It operates smoothly across trailer widths of up to 49 feet and supports several drive configurations. Options include manual operation using a convenient ground-level winding handle, as well as solar-assisted power units for easier automated control. The system can be operated either from the ground or directly from the cab, greatly reducing the need for drivers to climb onto the vehicle. Designed for versatility, the system fits tipping trailers, walking floor trailers, and similar open-top transport vehicles, making it a dependable solution for demanding material handling operations. The KMD-23 axle extendable low loader is an impressive heavy transport innovation engineered for moving oversized machinery with greater control, strength, and flexibility. Built to handle demanding hauling tasks, this trailer features an extendable deck that allows operators to adjust the loading length depending on the size and shape of the cargo. With both 2-axle and 3-axle configurations available, it supports a wide range of payload demands across construction, industrial, and agricultural sectors. The extendable structure significantly improves load distribution, making it far easier to transport long or extremely heavy equipment that standard trailers simply cannot manage. This company also produces advanced city wash systems. One impressive example is essentially a powerful street cleaning setup mounted on a compact utility vehicle known as the Movo. The vehicle itself is powered by a dependable diesel engine, producing about 109 horsepower, and it can reach speeds of roughly 37 miles per hour. Its steering system can switch between multiple modes, including a crab-like movement that allows the vehicle to glide sideways and maneuver smoothly through extremely tight spaces. Alpha HD trailers are engineered to tackle some of the toughest hauling challenges in industries such as construction, mining, and heavy manufacturing. Designed and manufactured in Ulveen, these rugged trailers connect to semi-trucks and transport enormous oversized loads, including excavators, industrial machinery, and large structural components. Their main frames are crafted from ultra-strong T1 steel, delivering exceptional durability under extreme stress, while the decks feature dense hardwood surfaces built to safely support concentrated weight. Many models incorporate advanced air suspension systems that provide smoother rides and improved load stability, making loading and transport far more controlled and efficient. The EX9 unmanned transport system represents a remarkable leap forward in the automation of modern logistics operations. Developed by an innovative German technology company and successfully tested in France. This cutting-edge solution uses self-driving electric yard trucks to move trailers and containers smoothly across busy industrial sites. Equipped with cameras, radar, and ultrasonic sensors, the trucks intelligently detect obstacles, calculate safe routes, and even automatically connect and disconnect trailers with impressive precision. Each EX9 truck communicates continuously with a central control hub through advanced 5G and V2X technology, allowing operators to monitor performance in real time and take remote control whenever necessary. The vehicles, often converted from traditional diesel tractors, confidently navigate tight spaces and handle a wide variety of trailer types. Before deployment, a detailed digital twin of the site is created to optimize movement and system integration. Gorilla LED Trucks proudly specializes in powerful mobile LED screen trucks engineered for bold, high-impact advertising, unforgettable brand activations, and large-scale event promotions. These striking digital billboards on wheels are perfectly suited for exciting product launches, grand openings, live-streamed events, and attention-grabbing public campaigns. Each truck is equipped with ultra-bright, multi-sided LED panels, capable of showcasing vivid videos, dynamic graphics, and real-time broadcasts from virtually every angle. With as little as 4 hours notice, these impressive trucks can be rapidly deployed to high-traffic locations, delivering remarkable flexibility and eye-catching visibility. The Hunter Hawkeye XL is a cutting-edge wheel alignment system engineered specifically for heavy-duty commercial vehicles such as trucks, trailers, and buses. Built for high-throughput fleet operations, it delivers exceptional speed, precision, and durability across a wide variety of demanding service environments. Using Hunter's unique 3D XL targets, rugged non-electronic devices mounted directly on the wheels, the system eliminates fragile components and significantly reduces maintenance requirements. High-resolution cameras mounted on a height-adjustable beam capture live three-dimensional positioning data, enabling rolling compensation and precise alignment of up to 3 axles simultaneously. The system supports both floor and lift installations and can be easily repositioned thanks to its portable camera cabinet. Long-range optics allow accurate alignment even on extended vehicles such as 53-foot trailers. With integrated connectivity to HunterNet 2, the Hawkeye XL delivers real-time analytics, remote monitoring, and detailed performance tracking to streamline shop workflows. Ideal for busy repair shops and fleet service centers, the Hawkeye XL boosts operational efficiency, reduces costly downtime, and helps maintain peak vehicle performance across modern commercial fleets. Now, let's take a closer look at one of the most fascinating machines I have ever encountered. This remarkable piece of industrial engineering is built to transport massive, awkward loads, weighing up to 71,650 pounds, while lifting materials roughly 63 inches off the ground. When carrying a heavy load, it moves carefully and steadily at about 12 to 14 miles per hour. Yet when traveling empty, it can accelerate slightly faster, reaching around 15 miles per hour. Bosch at IAA Transportation reveals how the future of commercial mobility is being shaped by intelligent technology, electrification, and highly connected systems. At one of the world's most influential transport exhibitions, Bosch presents a compelling vision of how trucks, vans, and logistics networks are evolving far beyond traditional mechanics into powerful software-driven platforms. The EMTECH 3N and T1R 3H is a powerful Maca, high-performance 3-axle low semi-trailer engineered to transport oversized and extremely heavy loads with outstanding precision and dependable safety. Built for demanding industrial construction and major infrastructure projects, it features an extendable bed that smoothly adjusts to accommodate long machinery or massive structural components, greatly enhancing flexibility and load management. Its low-profile deck keeps the cargo platform close to the ground, dramatically improving stability and allowing tall equipment to pass beneath bridges or overpasses with ease. The advanced air suspension system ensures balanced weight distribution and maintains optimal ride height even under heavy loads, reducing wear while delivering smoother, more confident handling. With 3 axles, the trailer distributes weight efficiently across a broader surface, minimizing road stress and improving maneuverability. In addition, its modular coupling design allows convenient width adjustments or seamless integration with additional units for specialized transport needs. The Hammar 110 is a powerful high-capacity side loader engineered for efficient, flexible container handling in demanding transport operations. With a safe working load of up to 79,366 pounds, it delivers impressive lifting strength while maintaining a comparatively low tare weight of roughly 18,300 to 18,520 pounds, making it noticeably lighter than many competing systems. One of its most remarkable features is the unique double-action support leg system. In steep over mode, the legs extend up to 10.5 feet, allowing the machine to reach over another chassis for smooth container transfers or precise stacking. In sledge mode, the legs extend about 6.6 feet, enabling faster ground-level handling in tighter operational spaces. The Hammar 110 is designed to handle 20-foot, 30-foot, and 45-foot containers and can be configured with advanced options such as high cube stacking capability, mega reach extendable cranes, or top spreaders for specialized operations. Safety is strengthened by the Safety Plus monitoring system, which ensures accurate load control and dependable performance during lifting tasks. Power can be supplied through truck hydraulics, an independent power pack, or electric alternatives, making the Hammar 110 an exceptionally versatile and future-ready solution for modern global transport demands. Thank you for watching today's TechNew video. If you find these technological inventions useful, remember to hit the like button and subscribe to see more shocking content. Share your thoughts about these inventions in the comments section below. See you next time.